Popped your cherry though. Alright, had one.
I went lower.
I bet you did. Here we are battling the ocean's blue today.
Is it a king?
No, I don't think it is. Beauty. I love it.
You get a picture?
Poor guy. I did.
Feel bad. Want to cook him?
He looks pretty dead. He might have to have a snack. Fish snacks.
Fish snack?
It's up to you. The pan's hot.
You know what?
Drop it.
I felt like I lost him, but that's just from the top of the top. I should have left them on. They're not cannibals, are they?
Yeah, they're cannibals.
I left them on. Oh well.
Now you're gonna have to eat him. It'll be the freshest fish you ever had in your complete entire life because he actually flopped twice in the frying pan.